What's up, everybody? It's Ahmed with I Really Can Cook. I know it's been a minute, but I'm back to cook again. And what I'm about to cook this time is BowTie Pasta. I'm gonna do one day. I'm gonna keep on. I'm gonna leave it, man. I'm about to go. I know I got the dogs barking in the background, but that's life, right? And we doing real life, real cooking, right? And here's the real cooking. I'm doing some BowTie pasta, mixed vegetables, pre-cooked chicken that I'm gonna re-cook. So watch me and follow my steps. Hopefully the dogs don't bark again, but if they do, I'll put them in the stew. Now I'm playing with you guys. I'll see you guys in a minute. Okay, I'm not gonna show you how to boil pasta. I'm not gonna show you how to steam frozen vegetables. I'm not gonna show you how to re-cook pre-cooked chicken. I always start with Kerrygold butter. Yep, get that pan all nice and, yeah, there we go. That's it. What y'all know about Kerrygold butter? Y'all better not tell me I don't know. If y'all do, maybe that's why you're here watching my channel, right? Ha! Got my panko crumbs, gonna do that. About to put this chicken in there and season it to my taste, and you're gonna like the way it tastes, because if you copy my style, you'll see I really can cook. If you like Dano's, throw some Dano's seasoning in there on that chicken. Not too much, but just enough to taste good. And I'm gonna put in some of my secret weapon right here, Italian seasoning. Put that on everything. It's good stuff. Yeah, buddy. Steamed veggies. Good stuff. Re-cooked, pre-cooked chicken. Yeah, buddy, it's ready to go. Look at that seasoning. Look at that flavor. Pasta's just about ready. Then I'm gonna show y'all my secret ingredient, my secret sauce, how I do this, because, hold on, I really can cook. Okay, we got the strained and drained pasta, and we're gonna put our mixed veggies in there. Let me see if I can do this one-handed. Oh, rock with me, y'all. There we go. There we go. Come on. Come on. Steam. That's good stuff, right? Okay, that's done. Now, we're gonna take this pre-cooked chicken, put it in there. But that's still not the secret. Hold on. Let me get my tongs to mix this up. I know y'all getting hungry. It's okay. Don't rock with me. But before I mix it up, hold on to this. My 4 secrets: garlic, salt, lime juice, mayo, sour cream. Oh, hold on. Green onions. Can't have it without green onions, right? So let's do this. Okay, so I put the mayo in there. Put the sour cream, the green onions, a couple of pinches of garlic salt. You don't want it too salty, you just want the flavor. And a couple of drips, let me see if I don't mess this up. A couple of drips of lime juice just to give it some kick. You don't want to overdo it, because the ultimate goal is to have your pasta coated, but not wet, runny, and dripping. So I'm gonna go ahead and mix it up. Let's see what this looks like. And look at this. That's what I'm talking about. It's coated. Oh, there we go. It's coated, but it's not overdone. I'm just doing this with the fork right now, but if you want to get deeper in there, of course, I'm gonna do it with the tongs later. But I just want to show you guys real quick what it's coming together like. I've told a couple of people about this recipe and they laughed it off, but I promise you, it's good stuff. Have I steered you guys wrong yet? Of course not. Why? Because I really can't cook. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish stirring this, put it on the plate so I can show you how pretty it is. Then I'm not gonna torture y'all by watching me get my grub on, but I'm about to get my grub on. So I want to leave you guys with a little tip. I always season my food lightly, but just enough to give it the flavor. But I also want to leave it to where you can season it to your taste. And you can do the same thing for your guests, because I might like a lot of salt, might like my salt light, but your guests might like it differently. So you want to leave it with enough salt to give the flavor of what it could be if they added more salt, but leave them the option. So with that being said, these are my final touches. I'm gonna put a little seasoned salt, gonna put a little Parmesan for myself, and Tapatio. Yeah, I know people don't put hot sauce on pasta, but I do, and it's good. Why? How do I know this? Because I really can cook. I'll see y'all in the next episode.